Many people want to make money online. They search for ways to earn extra income from home. I also looked for online opportunities. I use search engines just like most people do. My goal was to understand affiliate marketing. It seemed like a good way to start an online business. During my research, one particular platform kept appearing often. It grabbed my attention right away. I decided to explore this platform further. I wanted to see what it was all about. My first feeling was doubt. Many platforms promise quick money but deliver very little. I'd seen many schemes before. Most wanted my money before showing any real value. These platforms often hide information. They make it hard to know what you are buying. I worried this platform might be similar. Another trap designed to take people's hard-earned cash. My past experiences made me careful. It was important to check everything thoroughly first. But then I found something different. This platform offered a free way to join. There was no request for my credit card details, no hidden fees or tricky subscriptions. It was a no-commitment offer. I could look around inside without any pressure at all. Just create an account and enter. It was that simple to get started with them. This level of openness changed my mind. It built trust before I even began exploring, so I decided to sign up. I gave them my email and created my first account. The process was very quick. In just moments, I was inside the platform's world. The dashboard felt welcoming. It was easy to see where everything was placed. It wasn't messy or confusing. This was a good sign that they cared about users. My trust grew even more. This platform truly seemed different from others I saw. The training inside was very structured. It followed a clear path from start to end. It wasn't a jumble of videos. Each lesson built upon the last one perfectly. You learned real digital marketing skills, skills that you can use for many years. The lessons taught you how to build a real business. Step-by-step guidance was given. You could actually build upon the knowledge. It was not just quick tips or tricks, but the best thing was the community. Thousands of members helped each other daily. If I had a question, someone quickly answered. Support was always right there. It felt like a big team. Everyone worked towards similar goals together. Beginners and experts were present. They shared tips and celebrated small wins. This community pushed me forward. It made the journey much less lonely. The platform also gave powerful tools. You could build websites easily here. Hosting for your site was included. No need to pay extra for that service. There were tools for finding good keywords. This helped my website rank higher. You got everything in one place. It simplified the whole online business process. This saved a lot of time and money. It made things much more efficient for me. However, it is not a quick, rich scheme. Success takes much hard work and time. You must be ready to learn and apply. Consistent effort is truly the key. Some might find the amount of information overwhelming at first. It is quite detailed. It needs commitment and patience. Results do not appear overnight for anyone. Overall, this platform offers huge value, especially for those new to online business. The free start is amazing. You can truly explore before spending any money. If you want to build a real online business, I highly suggest checking it out.